BellaJule. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have this so cool fridge. It's so cool. And it comes with 6 mini Shopkins and 2 exclusive Shopkins. And it says right here, push, pop, and drop. And I'll show you what happened. I'll show you the meaning of that. Some eggs over here. And those are the 6 mini Shopkins. And the 2 exclusive Shopkins are translucent. And you can fit many Shopkins in this thing. It can hold over 25 Shopkins because it says so right here. Store over 25 Shopkins. Anyway, we're just going to go ahead and open it up. It's okay. So, okay, you might need a grown-up's help. And so I'm just going to take it out of the cardboard. So this is what came with it, a little cup. I'll show you what that is for later. 2 purple bags and some stickers to decorate the fridge. So I'm just going to open the rest up. Two exclusive Shopkins that came in the refrigerator, and this one looks like it's in lemon soda, and this one looks like it's strawberry and banana cream. They also came with these mini Shopkins, which are like a carton of egg with really cute different faces. So we're going to get them out. Let's take this out. Like so. These are the carton of eggs, and they are the mini Shopkins, and they have different expressions on their faces, and I'm going to show you which ones are my favorite. This one, and this one. Okay, so we're going to check out the rest of this refrigerator. So you see there's a cup right here? Well, I'm going to show you what it's for. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Okay, so I put that there, then I push this here. Ta-da! It pushes this thing back, and then a Shopkin can fall inside here. So I'm going to put that there, and there are like a bunch of secret compartments. Like you can pull that there, you can pull that little drawer out, you can pull this drawer out, and this goes right here. Ah! Shopkin. And like you can also put some right here. So I gotta fix this. Okay, so these are the stickers that you can decorate the fridge with. And like, look at this. It's a little like check grocery list. And this is like a little list to see what you already have. So we're going to put this right here, and we're going to put the bags and the cup and the 2 Shopkins to the side. And I'm going to grab a few of the Shopkins I already own, and I'm going to see if I can put them all in here. Oh, I almost forgot to mention something. Like you can move the little trays into different places. Like I can move that there. I can like move this here. There's a really big space. Yeah. And so I'm just going to put them back where I found them. Okay, so these are the Shopkins I'm going to put inside the refrigerator. So I'm going to put some over here. Okay, I'll put this here with the orange. And I'll put this over here. And I think I may put this over here. Okay, and I'll put these 2 Shopkins down here. But I'm going to put this. Yeah, I'm going to put this right here. It wouldn't make sense if I put that in the freezer. Actually, it would make sense. Okay, so everything's there. So I'm going to close up the refrigerator, and I'm going to start decorating it with some stickers. Here's Apple Blossom. And here's Yochai. So for now, I'm going to keep working on this. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. See you next time. Bye!